Cute little feet. Are you drooly? Are you drooly? Are you drooly boy? Yeah. You think so? You think so? Can you tell me about it? Yeah. Can you talk to your Aunt Trudy? Say hi. Hi. I know, and you haven't even met her yet. How about Uncle Scott? You say hi, Uncle Scott? Say hi, Uncle Scott. How about Uncle Nate? Yeah. Say hi, Uncle Nate. Say hi, Grandma Joanne. Can you give him a little grin? Give me a little grin? You smile for Nana. You smile for Nana. Oh, that's not a smile. That's a little bit of. There's a smile. Yeah. There's my baby smile. Say, say bye-bye. Bye, everyone. See ya. Say bye-bye. Kick, 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 kick. Are you a kicker? Are you a kicker? No. No. You know all about it. You know all about it. Should we go outside and play in the sunshine? I think we should. Say bye-bye.